Hello everyone, this is Ari from Communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Clean Master to your Samsung Galaxy Note 2 or to any other Android phone. For this, you need to unlock the phone. After that, you have to hit Apps. And apps, you have to find one app. It's called Google Play, Play Store, Android Market. Hit this one. One most important thing, for downloading anything from Android Market, you need to have a Google account. If you don't have Google account, please do that and come back here again. Here you have three options: apps, games and books. Hit at apps. At apps you have so many options: home, top free, top free. Hit at top free. The fifth application is Clean Master. It's free. If you not find as this, here you have searching option. Type this one. Tap this one. Type the name of application. Download and install. Okay. Hit this one. Hit for install. Accept term and condition. It's downloading now. It's only 6.89 megabyte. And it's done. It's giving me two options. One is open, another is uninstall. I'm not gonna open from here. I will hit home or menu button. After that, I will hit apps. I will drag. As you see, Clean Master. Hit this one. Okay. This is some reference. Here you have one option, junk file. Hit this one. How much junk file you have? Okay. As you see here, it's one option is giving me clean junk. Hit this one. Hit done. Okay. Memory boot and so many options you have. You can clean your phone by this so much easily, and most important thing is free. If you like this video, please do subscribe. If you have any question, leave me as a comment. I will try to answer you as much fast as possible. As always, for more information, go to the Iris Communication, www.iriscommunication.com. Have a nice evening. Ciao.